Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea moss on your face. First, ensure your sea moss gel is ready. You can make it by soaking and blending raw sea moss. Next, thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any makeup or impurities. Finally, gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel, as the mask works best on a dry surface. Once your face is clean and dry, take a small amount of the prepared sea moss gel. Using clean fingertips or a soft brush, apply a thin, even layer across your entire face. Be sure to avoid the delicate areas around your eyes and mouth to prevent irritation. A little goes a long way for effective coverage. Now, let the sea moss mask work its magic. Allow it to dry completely on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll likely feel a gentle tightening sensation as it dries. Once the time is up, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, ensuring all the gel is removed. Pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. After rinsing and gently patting your face dry, apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. For best results, incorporate this easy sea moss face mask into your routine 2 to 3 times weekly. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy. Consistent use can lead to a radiant complexion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.